Hello everybody, in this video I want to share with you how real estate can be an amazing wealth builder. Real estate is one of the best vehicles to put your money if you want to make it grow steadily over the years without too much risk, and if you really want to have a couple of different ways that you make money with your investments. So contrary to stocks, real estate has a lot of different ways that you can make money with it. And in this video, I'm going to share quickly what these ways are. Investing in real estate is quite simply you buy a house or a plex or apartment buildings and you rent the units inside these buildings to tenants. And if you did your calculations properly, the rent that you collect from the tenants will pay for your expenses and mortgage costs every single month, leaving you with a positive cash flow every single month. So the first perk of real estate is appreciation. Now, when you're buying a piece of land with a building on it, then that piece of land and the building will appreciate in value over time. Now, historical rates are usually 3 to 5%, which beats inflation, which is 2 to 3% every single year. So in the long run, your investments, they will grow in value. It's a very steady base that you can pour your money into and watch it grow steadily over the years. Second way investing in real estate is so profitable is cash flow. When you buy a piece of real estate and you did your calculations properly, you rent it out to people that actually pay on time every single month and you don't have any troubles with them, then the rent you're going to collect from these people will cover your expenses and your mortgage payments and leave you with a positive cash flow. By buying a property, you pay the mortgage, you pay the expenses that comes with owning properties, like the water, the sewage, the electricity, the trash, all that kind of stuff. But guess what? The tenants pay for these expenses. And by the end of each month, they will leave you with cash left over. Appreciating asset that goes up in value over time, that also pays you cash flow every single month, that you can then use and invest in other rental properties. So you can grow that cycle over and over again. And you can build your real estate portfolio super easily just by repeating this cycle over and over again and trading up for bigger and better properties. Your strategy would be to start small, trade up every single time, and invest eventually in apartment complexes, maybe in commercial real estate, in office buildings. Another way you make money with real estate is buying a property really is kind of like having a savings account that is forced on you, right? You have this mortgage that, yes, you pay some interest on that mortgage, you pay a certain percentage of interest, but you're also building equity through this mortgage. Now, at the beginning, you're paying pretty much all of your mortgage payments are going through to the interest, but near the end, you're gonna pay a lot in equity. And let's also not forget leverage, right? Leverage simply means that you have access to 100% of the value of that property just by putting 20% down. Because if you're buying a single family home or smaller properties, then you can get away with putting 3 to 5% down, and you have 100% of the house is yours. So with real estate, you have a ton of leverage compared to stocks, which you don't have really any leverage at all. Another way you make money with real estate properties is if you decide to flip your property, which means you buy the property, you renovate it, and your property will have appreciated in value if you did your renovations correctly. Then you can go on to sell that property for a profit in a short period of time, and that's called house flipping, which is an entirely different strategy than buying rental properties exclusively, but can really be an awesome way to make money alongside rentals. So real estate is really tangible, right? It's something that you can see with your own eyes, you can walk into. You can go pretty much whenever you want. You can remodel, you can make bunches and bunches of add-ons, renovations. So it's not something that just exists in the computer screen. You can actually go to the house, you can go to the duplex, your apartment building, and see it with your own eyes. And as a bonus, real estate comes with a bunch of tax deductions that you can also take advantage of. These are the really quick ways that make real estate such a good investment. I recommend you do more of research on your own, but thank you so much for watching this short video, and I will see you guys in the next one.